This is OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today we would like to show how you can expand the random access memory amount on this device. Alrighty, so first of all you need to launch the settings. Next, enter the About Device category, and in here you'll find the dedicated RAM section which you want to tap on. Then turn this switch on that says ROM expansion. Choose for how many gigabytes exactly you would like to increase your random access memory. I'll go with the maximum of 5. And now simply reboot the device in order for the changes that you have just made to take effect. So I'll long press the side power key, choose to reboot the phone, and now we'll simply wait until the device gets restarted, and then we'll check whether the random access memory amount has been successfully increased or not. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and launch the settings, enter the same About Device category, and in here we'll be able to clearly see the 8 gigabytes of RAM that are set into this device by default, and this green section that says that we have added an additional 5 gigabytes. And in here it is also, visible. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.